Universal Studios. I'm your guide, your VIP tour guide. My name is Oscar. We're gonna have a great day.
So what is new today? What are the new rides?
Oh, Jurassic World. It's fantastic. Also, Secret Life of Pets.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The glass in the dinosaur is always CGI, computer generated image.
What are you guys pointing at?
Oh, here comes the flash flood! Brace yourselves! It's coming right for us! Whoa, we gotta go park over here. There's an explosion. The whole pier is on fire. But a good thing is I was the shark before. I think you swam away. I think we're okay. Jaws 2. Jaws 3D. Jaws 4, The Revenge. There were no more Jaws after Jaws 4, The Revenge. Give yourself a round of applause.
Well, you all get fried! This is our turn. After them! Okay, guys, it's showtime! Come to the left! Let's put them up! I got the move out! Now we're moving! Stop! Look at it! You give me the witness turret or we call it a day! I'm not talking to you!
講個餐廳 Harry Potter 呢啲要講 The Three Broomsticks 啦。你睇下今日佢哋有咩餐廳先 ？Fish and chips, chicken platter, shepherd's pie, yeah。好啦，呢度咧就係環球影城嘅 VIP 嘅餐廳。環境好優美嘅。嗱呢度咧。就係 VIP 嘅餐廳，出邊咧望住好靚個荷里活風景 ，LA 風景好靚。有啲薯仔、咖喱雞、麵包、燒雞、pizza。好，最新嚟到呢個就係 Simpson 樂園啦。好，各位朋友，我哋嚟 Jurassic World 啦。
Positive